Oh, Bitsy, what is wrong?
Oh, Siska, it is my phone. It's so ugly.
Now, Bitsy, let's see what we can do to make her look pretty. First, touch and hold your screen until the menu bar at the bottom of the screen appears. Select Themes from the menu. Your phone will take you to Galaxy Themes, then click on the Icons tab at the bottom. Samsung has several options to choose from. There's both free and paid-for options available. Select the icon set that you prefer and click on Download. Don't forget to click on Apply to effect the changes.
Megabyte, come join us. Siska helped me to personalize my icons.
Wow, Bitsy, that's iconic.
Just do it! Hit those subscribe, like and share buttons.